How much should you actually spend on portable handheld turbofans with ice cooling? Because you see so many options, but which one is actually worth it? Let's cut through the noise and find out. Product number 1, PlayHot Turbofan. The PlayHot portable handheld turbofan caught my attention right away. Priced at $16.98, it offers a sleek black design that's not just good looking, but also super functional. If you want a fan that promises a powerful cooling experience during those hot days, this is worth a serious look. This fan boasts a maximum wind speed of 13,550 RPM, thanks to its advanced 6-blade design and high-speed brushless motor. This means it can cool you down in seconds, making it perfect for outdoor activities or even just around the house. Plus, with 5 adjustable wind speeds, you can customize your cooling experience to whatever you need at the moment. And it runs for up to 12 hours on a single charge. This matters because you won't have to constantly worry about finding a power outlet, especially during long outings. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavier than expected at 190 grams. Here's the thing though, while it might be slightly heavier than other options, the performance you get is definitely worth it. If you're looking for serious cooling power, this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor activities or just need a strong cooling solution at home. Skip this one if lightweight is your top priority. For the price, it offers excellent value and durability. Now, if the weight of the PlayHot turbofan bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KimGuard Turbofan. The KimGuard handheld portable turbofan really stands out with its unique features. At $19.99, it promises not just cooling, but also an ice-cool experience that caught my eye. If you're seeking a fan that combines power with innovative cooling technology, this is worth considering. This fan uses advanced semiconductor technology that can drop the temperature to a chilly 60 degrees Fahrenheit almost instantly. Imagine walking into a hot room and getting that immediate relief. With a maximum speed of 20,000 RPM and adjustable settings from 1 to 199 gears, you can customize your airflow however you like. And the 20-hour max cooling time is a game changer, letting you enjoy the breeze without constantly reaching for a charger. This is especially useful for those long summer days outdoors. However, some users mention that the cooling function consumes a lot of power. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful about when to use that feature, the cooling effect it offers is too good to pass up. Just remember to switch it off when you don't need it. This is great for anyone who needs a versatile fan for both indoor and outdoor use. Skip this if you prefer something that lasts longer on lower power settings. For the price, it delivers exceptional performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing cooling efficiency. Product number 3, Handheld Turbofan. The Handheld portable handheld fan priced at $15.99. Its sleek gray-purple design is appealing, but what really caught my attention is its cooling capabilities. If you're looking for a pocket-friendly fan that packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is its one-touch cooling that can lower temperatures to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in just seconds, making it feel like a personal air conditioner. With a maximum wind speed of 20,000 RPM and 199 adjustable speeds, you can really dial in how much airflow you need. Plus, it offers up to 20 hours of battery life, which is impressive for those long, hot days. One downside is that it takes 3 hours to fully recharge. Some might find that inconvenient, especially if you're on the go. But here's the perspective. With the powerful cooling and long battery life, the wait is worth it if you want reliable comfort. This is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors or needs a fan that can handle high temperatures. Skip this if you need a quick charge option. For the price, it's a solid investment for your summer essentials. Now, if the recharge time of the Handheld bothered you, the next fan offers a different balance of features. Product number 4, PlayHot Handheld Ice Fan. The PlayHot portable handheld turbofan is another great contender here, priced at $18.99. It's designed with summer in mind, and the features really show that. If you want a fan that can provide immediate cooling, this is worth checking out. This fan can also cool down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit instantly, which is fantastic for quick relief. Its impressive 25,550 RPM maximum speed means you're getting some serious airflow. Plus, it offers 12 hours of cooling time on a single charge, which means less downtime between uses and more comfort. However, a few reviews mentioned it can get a bit noisy at higher speeds. Here's the thing. If you're using it in a crowded space or outdoors, the noise is often drowned out by the environment. For personal use, just be mindful of the setting where you're using it. This is perfect for anyone who needs a strong cooling option for travel or outdoor events. Skip this if you're looking for absolute quiet during use. For under $20, it's a great value for the cooling power. Now, if noise was a concern for you, the final fan on our list takes a different approach. Product number 5, Shewind Turbo Fan. We have the Shewind Portable Handheld Fan, priced at $16.99. This fan combines cooling and quiet operation, which is a huge advantage. If you want a fan that won't disrupt your peace, this is worth a look. It features a one-touch cooling system that can bring temperatures down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, making it great for quick relief. With a maximum RPM of 13,500 and 5 adjustable speeds, it delivers a solid performance. The battery life ranges from 4 to 13 hours, depending on the speed, giving you flexibility based on your needs. One downside is that some users found it a bit bulky for a handheld fan. But here's the deal. The functionality it provides and the quiet operation make it ideal for use in settings like a nursery or during quiet study sessions. This is perfect for anyone who prioritizes quiet operation without sacrificing performance. Skip this if you need something ultra portable. For its features, it's a fantastic value that fits well in any travel bag. The PlayHot Turbo Fan is great for powerful cooling. The KimGuard offers innovative cooling tech. The Handheld has impressive battery life. The PlayHot handheld fan delivers quick cools, and the Shewind is perfect for quiet use. Each fan has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best, and you can't go wrong.